Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove or replace the entire front bumper from any BMW 3 Series F31 out there. The first thing which you have to do is to lift the front side of the vehicle up and place it on a jack stand. In my case I already did it. After that you have to remove the front wheels completely and place them away from the vehicle. Then you'll have to open the hood, and right here at the top part of the front bumper you'll have this rubber part, this rubber piece, which you'll have to pull out from its place, and then right underneath you will find a few bolts which you'll have to remove completely out from the vehicle. All of these bolts are secured in the front bumper attached to the vehicle right here at the top part. The tools which you'll have to use to remove the bolts from the top part of the front bumper are a Torx 25 and also a Torx 30. After that, the next thing which you'll have to do is to go right here inside the wheel arch area, and you'll have to remove the huge plastic part which is mounted right here in the front bumper. This entire plastic panel, it is secured with about 9 bolts in total, and you'll have to remove all of the bolts which are securing it mounted in place if you want to completely remove it and pull it out from the vehicle. It is very important to remove this huge plastic panel first, because otherwise you will have no access to the bolts which are secured in the front bumper attached to the front fenders, and also to the connectors which are attached to the front bumper right here underneath. After that, you'll have to go right here underneath the front bumper, and you'll have to remove 8 bolts in total which are secured in the front bumper attached to the vehicle from underneath. With all of these things being said, I will go ahead and I will start removing the front bumper from this kind of vehicle. Right here, after you completely remove the front plastic panel, right underneath you will find 2 more bolts which are secured in the front bumper attached to the front fender right here at the top in the corner. So as you can see, right here, those are the 2 bolts which you have to remove completely if you want to release the front bumper from the front fender. Right here, in my case, I'm done with removing all the bolts and all the screws which are secured in the front bumper attached to the vehicle in the front side. Right now, the next thing which I'm going to do is to remove and disconnect all the cables, all the connectors which are attached to the front bumper from underneath. You'll have to remove the connectors from the left side, and then you'll have to go on the right side and remove the rest of the connectors, because depending on how much options you have on the front bumper, you'll have so many connectors installed over it. In my case, I have the connectors for the fog lights, for the parking sensors, for the headlights, and other systems which are installed into the front bumper. Very good everybody, from this moment I disconnected almost all the cables which are attached to the front bumper. Right now I will go ahead, I will pull it forward of the vehicle and I'm going to pull it out completely. And because this vehicle which I'm working on today, it is equipped with a headlight washer system, I'll have to disconnect also the headlight washer pipe. And to do so, I'll have to pull the front bumper a little bit more forward until it will give me enough space and enough room to work with the cables and disconnect completely the pipe which is going to the headlight washer system into the front bumper. Okay guys, so in my case the job is done and complete. The front bumper is completely pulled away from the vehicle. Right here, this is the pipe for the headlight washer system, and as you can see, if you don't cover the hole or hold it high enough, the fluid will still leak out from the pipe. In my case, I'm going to secure it right here at the top because I don't want to lose all the fluid. And right here, as you can see, the front bumper is looking like this from the interior. This one, it is the pipe which is attached to the front bumper, and it will secure with the pipe which is going to the headlight washer reservoir. After that, if you try to remove the front bumper and you feel like it's not coming out from the bottom part, you'll have to push this plastic clip up and eventually it will release the front bumper and it will come out from its place. You'll have one plastic clip right here on the right side into the bottom and another plastic clip on the left side also into the bottom. As you can see, this is the area where it's fitting over the metal part, over the metal bar, and in this way it's securing the bottom part fixed over the vehicle. Those are all the things and all the steps which you'll have to do and follow if you want to completely remove or replace the entire front bumper from any BMW 3 Series F31 out there. Doesn't matter exactly which year it is. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.